say about our hearts that never mentioned to any hunger that our life. Nothing feels better. I don't know what to say anything about us. Daniel C. Sardoso one all the good like without their permission. I still had enough. I really love this when we were together. So I was